IWN rejecting. Man. Come on, Seabiscuit. Those 53s are 70 cents still. Turn them loose. Let's go, Seabass. Come on, baby boy. Oh, wow. How much is that? Oh, nice. We're back. I'm getting add-on buys for NQ right now. Struggle bus here now. We're about 10 minutes away from London Power Hour now, team. See what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is starting to make a move to the upside. Oh, I did not do that. Look, it did it again. You know, I switched mouse. I bought a new mouse because for some odd reason I was noticing the tabs would get stuck when I would like move them and stuff. And I thought it was my mouse, and evidently it's not my mouse. Went and bought a whole brand new one. You know, I've been looking at taking my core position on full contracts to solid 20 to 30 points, but also having a micro on for runners so it doesn't hurt so bad when it comes back to break even. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. And you don't have to worry about the drawdown being as big either. It's definitely a good idea. See what ES is doing. ES also facing that rejection. IWN got a nice little pullback here as well. Those 53s are back at, those 253s on IWN are back at 59 cents. Hit a high of 88 cents on those cons. Beautiful. Oh my God. I'm fighting a little deeper. Maybe we can get to that 26 or the Monday high. Bounce off that. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's on 1-5. Those contracts 50 minutes should go this time for a little bit of a pullback, but we'll see. Got 8 minutes till London close. And I'm not doing that great on my futures trades today. I'm getting beat up here. Looks like he's gonna push. Come on, reject. Give me that pullback. I should just give this up. It's gonna stop me out. And come on. Come on, Bears. Where are you? Just a little bit of that pullback. Just get us to 740 before you go. No, man, we knew it was going to do that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. I'm blaming this all on Bay Fisherman. This is all Bay Fisherman's fault. Oh, risk is definitely on, my friend. Risk is definitely on. On the options port, we're green. We're up like 10%, maybe a little bit better for the day. Only thing not helping me is my Bitcoin swing position. That's the only thing that's kind of hurting me, but even then, I really don't care. I really could care less. I got 30 days on that, so it could sit there and cook for all I care. Kind of done on my intraday trading though. I really don't want to. I don't want to do it. Like I want to take another trade, but I don't want to take another trade. You know what I'm saying? My trades have been kind of butt cheeks today. That would be next level is 25,875. That's a 4-hour support resistance. What is ES doing? Or XSP Con's going for right now. Still kind of juiced. Yeah, it should be doable. Should be. We're 2 minutes away from London closed now, boys. Yeah, I see that. Excuse me. You ain't doing it, broski. Seabiscuit is going Mimi time, it looks like. Gold struggling. Bitcoin looks like it's slowly making its grind though. Slowly just grinding away. We are Tuesday. That gives me 3 days in this. Mm. IWN rolling over. Almost making like an M shape on the one. Oh, then they're gonna turn them loose, broski. I think like you said, we're in trouble. If it rolls over, let's try this short again. Yeah, starting to roll over nicely. Will NQ follow suit? Come on. Do it. We're 4 minutes into London Power Hour now, team. So last hour of trading for the London traders across the pond. So let's see how this next hour turns out for us. Should see some more volatility and volume, here in this hour. We shall see though. The seller's finally taking a hold. Let's go. Come on, get my refund. Get my refund. You got my receipt and everything. I'll put my stop in the money. I probably shouldn't. I don't think it's time yet. 1 minute. Oh, wait. 8 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. Will it continue to push further down or will they bounce it here? Ugh. Come on, dip it. Sell it. Do it. There we go. Come on. Just doesn't want to do it. Come on, dip it. There we go. Come on, more. Come on. Give us a sell. All right, now I really am going to move my stop in the money. There we go. Come on. Come on, Bears. Do it. I'm going to trail my stop a little here. Where's that 4-hour support resistance? See if it holds. Ooh, it did not. Did not hold. Did not hold. Did not hold. Can we get to that Monday low? That Monday high? Come on. Come on, do it. Just do it. Just do the dang thing already. No, you want to. Come on, flush it. Give me that flush. Come on. Do not buy this up. Move my stop. Nah. Boom. Stopped out. Now, I don't know if we'll get that low. We've been in an uptrend now. So these are just retracements. Stop loss hunts, if you want to call them that. You loving the moves on gold? Good. I'm glad. I'm glad someone's enjoying these moves on gold. If you like them now, you'll love it during the Asia session. Gold moves like Nasdaq in the Asia session. Yeah, it just comes with time, Nacho. That's the biggest thing about it. A lot of traders don't. They just can't. They can't wrap their head around that. Is that that's what makes a good trader? It's time on the charts, sitting here. You know, everybody's different. How long it takes for you to learn and find your edge. And you know what? I heard someone talk about this a day or so. I think it was yesterday. I heard someone saying specifically this, and really, some of you guys might kind of lean towards this as well. Is it trading for you guys? If you have one thing that works for you, that's what you should be attacking. Like if the orb works for you, or if fair value gaps work for you, or EMAs or Fibonacci. If you have one specific strategy that you're like, man, this thing always works, but I don't have more, I don't have more of those trades, then that's what you should be honing on. You should be beating that dead horse. You should be looking at what that one thing is that you're able to, when you take that trade, that specific trade, that you understand it, you know what you're looking for, you know what your expectations are. You need to look at that trade and analyze it and figure out what about it makes the most sense to you. And then how can you repeat and find other areas that you can take that trade. That's ultimately what it is, regardless of what anybody else says. And it's difficult to get the FUD out. March marks my 1 year of trading. Well, congrats, bro. I'm glad to have you here, and I'm glad to see that you're sticking it out. It's a hard career. Trading, day trading is a super difficult career to get into and to stay in. No unemployment, no benefits, nothing. It's all on you as a trader. And you can't displace the blame on someone else. Can't say, oh, well, I took this trade and it's so and so's fault. I mean, you could blame RQ all the time. You could blame RQ all the time. I do. I've got a cool little gift that I use, to blame him for stuff randomly. I'm just kidding. No, but I mean, that's really it, Nacho. It's a ton of taking time and picking at what is working and figuring out what makes it work. That's the best thing you can do as a trader. I highly recommend, and that's where the journal comes in. That's why the journal is the most important thing. Steve blames Riz. Dude, it wouldn't surprise me if I'm blamed for quite a bit of stuff. I'm glad I have my notifications turned off. But yeah, definitely, I hope that helps you. If you guys are out there on the interwebs wondering and struggling yourselves, I've always said it before, is my DMs are open. Y'all are always welcome. I have traders that message me around the clock and, ask me if I took this or I took that or what I see on this. And, same goes for you guys. My DMs are open for you all. I love to help my community, and I feel like this is my community as well. Got the morning session on lockdown, so for that first part of the day, this is my community, that I share with Blue Sky, so to speak. So I take it personally, and I want to ensure that all of you guys are doing great and finding your footing and finding your path, because it is difficult. It's lonely. That's why somebody earlier told me, like, hey, good job on that. And I appreciate that stuff. Looks like a short on gold. We had that nice red candle and stuff. I agree with you. Looks like, gold is looking a little weak here on the morning session. Oh man, Bitcoin just took a massive downturn. Jeez. Well, come on over, hang out with us, my friend. We got BluSky in the evening session. So for you pajama traders that want that smooth Barry White voice in the evening, you can catch one of our resident traders coaches here, BluSky. Yeah, he's got the after hour Asia trades. So, I saw a few of you guys popping in for that. I need to pop in for one of those evening sessions. My DMs are open, Bay Fisherman. You're always welcome to DM me if you're lonely. I'll send you some Care Bear hugs. Slide on them DMs. There you go. That's why having a trade buddy is super important. You got to have a trade buddy. Have someone that understands what the heck you're doing, because nobody else is going to know what you're doing or really appreciate it the way a trader would. Oh, that cell's really kicking in now. Maybe I can DCA in that position. I've got some bids on my BIDO calls. I'm trying to see if I can DCA into it, because I've seen some volatile swings on them that the contracts go super, super cheap. And I want to see if I can DCA into them for that cheap as well. Oh man, the sell is really kicking in now. Man, the London is definitely bringing in volatility into the evening session. What a shame. Woo-wee. Nasty. Now I wish I had held that short. That short could have paid bank. I was waiting for the short too. I was like, second attempt. I gave it up at 748 is where I got stopped out. But you'd have got a nasty pullback on that. Ooh my goodness. There's that Monday high. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Somebody's still holding that short, right? Who's short? Who's short right now? Somebody has to be short. If you're not short right now, I'm mad. Okay, I'm not mad. I can't be mad at you. They might. I think we're going to test that orb high, though. It looks like to me. Looks like we're going to come in on that orb high before we rip. I'm trying to take a swing position on Big Bear AI right now. It's up like 4.5% on the morning session. It's been ripping most of the week, since it is part of my my hot sheets. If you guys are looking at, Tesla's down 3% right now. Let's see, man. This is just whoo-wee. They're rocking us with that. Edit. What's your low price? I think that 677 mark is it. Dang, I don't want that. Holding now though. Come on. Oh, my high price? I mean, I would still be looking at that 875, 25 875. That's still my target for upside. Sorry, I know 677 was right. Maybe. Market kind of slowing down here. IWN Russell starting to sell as well. I like the short more, to be honest with you, Bay Fisherman. I mean, with what I'm seeing with IWN starting to pull back now and stuff, losing confidence that this is going to continue upward. Nice. Don't forget, tomorrow we've got JOLTS numbers. I took that next leg down. What are you going to do here? IWN looks like it wants to kind of push back up again. Struggling. Oh, that thing finished already. Nice. I actually fired up my 3D printer yesterday. I started doing some prints. I hadn't printed out anything in 3D in a minute. So I was kind of fussing with this morning in the background, trying to get some prints out. I got some cool stuff that, some wall art I want to hang up. I got this awesome Ferrari F1 car that I want to hang on my wall. A bunch of race art all across my walls in my office. So, you know, I've been kind of slacking off and keeping up with my office. So I was like, well, you know what, New Year, I'm gonna lock down and get some stuff done. Oh, look at that short, bait fisherman. Tell me you're short on this. Tell me you're short still. Oh man, oh man. Let's go. Let's go. For the dub. Well, hopefully this fits on my car. You think, bait fisherman? You think this is just a retracement, or you think we're going to continue to sell? Stop at 740. Gotcha. Tilray down 5% here in the morning session. Still trying to get into that. I'm still trying to get into that BBAI position. Maybe I should kill it. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill this trade with the market pulling back. I'm gonna hold off before I jump in that trade. Stop at 740. A bit of exhaustion candle. There's a big lot of orders getting in or tagged right now. Oh, look at that. Nice filled here at 685. Sweet. Who wrote that down to the orb high? I know somebody did besides bait fisherman. You guys better be taking these trades. Amazon up 2% for today. Not giving up either, so. Damn, where'd they go? You think? You think this is the dip buy right here, big fisherman? Let's take a long then. Let's go for it. I mean, off a VWAP, off the 200 bounce. Think you like that one? It's an area, that's for sure. So it's a area. Whether it's the right one or not, we'll find out here in a few minutes, my friend. We're going to find out here in a few minutes if we're right or wrong. She's going to tell us real fast whether your boy over here is right or wrong. Oh, I have my own sticker kit on this. What? Oh, man. We are getting decimated here, boys. Not looking like the right move here on the morning session. Oh, this doesn't fit. Oh man, we're gonna have to stretch this out. We're close, but not close enough. Dang it. I'll have to make it bigger all the way around. I wonder if I could put a screw on that just to hold it on the wall. Or I might be able to. Not to cut this short or this long. Not working out well for us at all, at all, at all, at all. What's Big Bear AI doing? Plug down. Everything's starting to kind of pull back. Big Bear AI is at that influx. 671 was a break point. Sheesh. Getting our butts handed to us again. I was gonna cut that trade. Bitcoin struggling, trying to go, but not doing it. got in here? Okay. ONDS at a high of 0.32%. I was hearing some people talk about that. That's on my hot sheets as well, along with some of my other tickers. Market's still kind of cooling off here. Still can't get it. Just can't rip it. The 650 to 647, we're back to open price. Yeah, we sure as heck are, my friend. We sure are. That's a nasty sell-off right there. Whoo-wee. That's crazy. 7 minutes into the top of the hour now, team. Pretty nasty pullback here on the market now. It is looking safer now. Should we reattempt it? Let's try it again. Let's try this long again. I'm gonna stack a little bit more just because I need to make up a little bit of my losses from the morning session. It's like the Russell wants to make a bounce as well. Doesn't feel safe, bait fisherman. Feels like more of the same. Avocado. We get through here looking at 724. Hopefully, my friend. Hopefully, if not, I'm holding you accountable. I mean, like Bait Fisherman said, I'm gonna get 350% back. That pullback is still in effect, boys. Still not ripped to the upside. Yeah, Moro got the great entry on that. You got it real nice on that. I'm taking it though. Pretty nasty here though. Less than 15 minutes to the London close team. Hey, don't forget, guys, we've got Coach Becky, Coach Matt, and myself coming in for Power Hour today. So don't want to miss that class. Or don't want to miss Power Hour. You have all three of us here. 5 minute looks like more red. I should get out of this thing, probably. I don't know. Can get that bid. Now that we broke we're right at the orb high. So Friday, the U.S. Supreme Court has set an opinion day, making its first ruling on Trump's global tariffs. Justices returned from a 4-week break. So the decision is released at 10 a.m. Eastern. A tariff determination is considered likely. You know, if you delete the line off your chart, price can get through there. I finally was able to get in that big bear AI position. Contracts were like 8 cents. Like 1 out the money. Think we can keep the momentum going and maybe bust out. Mm. There we go. Finally. All right. Can we get to the 200? 721. I'll put my stop in the money. Let's go. It's a hell of a trade right there. Tesla's still selling off. Can we keep that move going? We got 5 minutes till the close of London. Oh, you're gonna stop us out? No. Jesus. Bitcoin broke below 93,000 also. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Dang it. This might be the start of the sell. Ah! Not good, not good, not good, not good, not good. Man.
Do it.
Oh wow. You're having issues with Volumetrica. How you been liking it? I need to start using it more on the streams. There's a few things that need attention. Have you brought those issues up to support? Please make sure if you're having issues. Great, 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 great. Yeah, because I know that our team is working with the devs on that product. So if you've got feedback, stuff like that, definitely let the team know. So we can get that stuff handled and try to find out if there's a way we can resolve some of those issues to make it a better platform for everyone. Has anybody tried trading stocks on that yet? Have you tried trading stocks on that? Because you can do that as well on that platform. No? That's what I want to do. I want to start using it so I can try to trade stocks. Well, you already know what I'm going to buy. I'm going to be buying the Qs all the time. Come on. All right, team, and there's London Power Hour for us. Closed out. The Bulls are here. Looks like gold might be moving here, and silver might be doing the same move as well. Bitcoin looks like it might be catching a bid finally. NQ still holding that orb high. $7.24. Looking weak though. All right, enjoy your lunch, Bay Fisherman. I think I'm going to go ahead and conclude my stream there as well, since we're at the London close. Market is just kind of consolidating here. I would expect a nice little bump here. Thanks, everyone, for joining us here in the morning stream. Don't forget, you guys can catch us for Power Hour this afternoon as well. Myself, Coach Becky, Coach Matt, all three of us will be here for Power Hour this afternoon. That's right, at the last hour of the New York Cash session. You can catch all three of the coaches here, as well as today after market close, you can catch Coach Becky's trade psychology class. So you don't want to miss that trade psychology class. So I will see you guys there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot those in DMs. Don't forget about those launch plans on sale for $59 and $69. I think, was there another announcement that was made? Let me see. Nope, I don't see any, I don't see, oh wait, I'm in the wrong announcements because there's two. Nope. Let's see. Promotions. Don't forget about our New Year's promotion. You can get started with the launch plan for under $30. If it is your first time setting announcements, or sorry, I'm reading something else. If it's your first time getting a Blue Sky account, you can use Welcome 26 for 50% off all launch plans. One-time use, once per customer. So take advantage of those launch plan sales. Half off. Great sales there, team. All right. As always, good luck in the market. Have a great day, team, and I will see you this afternoon.